Happy Sunday, everybody. Today is Sunday Reset. Plan, prep, prioritize protein and fat, and get keto aligned. I'm the Primal Professor, and this is your 3-minute reset for the week ahead. Because health doesn't start on Monday, it starts with intention today. Let's keep it simple. If you prep your food, you protect your health. Think about it. Really simple. Not with restriction, not with rigid rules, but by walking into a new week with real food ready to go. So if you're living low carb or keto, that means protein for structure and fat for fuel. Protein keeps your muscle, balances your hunger, and supports metabolic repair. Fat, that's your energy source now, not carbs. So if neither is prepped, your bodies will be searching and you'll keep grabbing. So today's nugget: a stocked fridge is stronger than willpower. I'll tell you, my Sundays used to be chaotic when I was working and just starting keto, and I'd say, I'll eat clean this week, but there'd be no food in the fridge. So I'd snack, stall, and stress. When I started prepping 3 proteins, 2 healthy fats, everything changed. And suddenly, my meals were simple, satisfying, and on plan. I wasn't white-knuckling cravings. I had fuel, not just food. Cooked sausage, boiled eggs, pulled pork, avocado slices, jarred olives. These are the quiet heroes of metabolic success. And after hearing John's story yesterday, we know how fast a week can unravel without a plan. John didn't fail because he ate chips. He failed because he didn't prep the options. So let's talk strategy for this week. This is your Sunday reset. Pick 3 proteins, 2 fats, 2 veggies, and get them ready today. Let me give you some examples. Proteins like chicken thighs, ground beef, hard-boiled eggs. Fats like avocado, olives, butter, good olive oil dressing if you're making a salad. Veggies like zucchini, spinach, cauliflower rice. You don't need a recipe, you need a fridge that supports your goals. This week, try not to wing it again. Lead with purpose, prep your protein and fat, and enjoy the calm that comes from being ready. I'll see you tomorrow for the next Daily Spoonful.